Hello all, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can get rid of the tire pressure indicator of a Mercedes C Class 2021 W206 model. I'm going to show you how you can get rid of this indicator over here. When you have a flat tire or changing the tires, you have to reset it, otherwise this indicator on the dashboard will pop up. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start. First of all, press or turn the ignition to the second position. Once you are here, press the home button slightly once. Then scroll to the right, go to Service. Surface, then another quick push to the OK button, then this will appear over here, tire pressure. Press OK again, scroll to yes, press OK again, and the indicator will restart and the pop-up will disappear after starting the car. As you can see, the indicator for the tire pressure is gone now. So once again, ignition on, press this button, scroll to Surface, OK, another OK, this will pop up, another OK, scroll to yes, another OK, and the tire pressure monitor is restarted. That was it for this video. Thank you for taking time for watching our videos and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.